Dear students, the next example in the sum of the first n elements of an AP is what they are given. Find the sum to n terms of an AP whose kth element is what? 5k plus 1. So kth element means that we can take nth element, that is 5n plus 1 we can take. Okay. Find the sum to n terms of an AP. It means we have to find out Sn is equal to. For Sn is equal to n by 2, what we have the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2, that is a plus l, or it is a n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, that is nothing but again a plus n. Okay. So nth element means we have been the last element. We have to find out for the first element, that is p1. That is nothing but a, the first element of an AP is what? That is a. It means instead of n we have to substitute the 1, that is 5 into 1 plus 1, that is how much? 6. Then second element, that is P2, that is a plus d, that is nothing but what? Second element in place we already have been find out the value of a, that is nothing but that is what? That is 6 plus d. A plus d, that is nothing but 6 plus d. Then a plus 2d, that is a 6 plus 2d. Like that up to the nth term, that is Pn is how much? That is a 5n plus 1. Okay, so substitute in this formula, that is Sn is equal to n by 2, that is a is how much? 6 plus the last element is, that is 5n plus 1, that is nothing but n by 2, that is 6 plus 1, that is 7 plus 5n is your what? The sum to n terms of an AP. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ nth ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. nth ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ 6, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ a plus b, it means 6 plus d, third element that is a 6 plus 2d, like that it comes, and the nth element is 5n plus 1. Already we know that the first element and the last element substitute in the sum to n terms of an series, then we get the solution. The next one example is what they are given. Find the value of x such that 25 plus 22 plus 19 plus 16 plus x is equal to 116. That is 116. Okay. So we have to find out for the what? We have to find out for the value of x. That is nothing but that is nth element. So we have that Tn is nothing but your x. That is nothing but a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Then x is equal to what? X is equal to what? We have to find out the value of x. A is how much? That is 25 plus n. That we don't know. D is how much? That is 3. That is nothing but x is equal to what? 25 plus 3n minus 3. Then x is equal to 25 minus 3. That is 22 plus 3n. That is x is nothing but what you want? N. Is it? Then Sn they have given already. Sn how much they have given? And then 16. That Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus n. Sn is how much? 106. 28 minus 3n it will come. Okay. So here I will make it correction. That is 28 minus 3n. The last element. And here that is here 2 ones are 2. Okay. So here 2 corrected. Okay. It means 3n square. That is a minus 53n plus 232. I am sorry. Okay. Already I to multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Okay. So by multiplying the two numbers, that is 232 into 3, 232 into 3, that is 3 to 6 into 9, that is 696. And by adding the same two numbers, I have to get it as the minus, adding or subtracting, I have to get it as the minus 53. So here if I take if I take the 29 into 8, no. If I take, shall I take the 3 as the common multiple here? Is it possible? So here, if I add the same two numbers or subtracting the two numbers, I should have to get it as the minus 53. So the numbers are, so here 3n square minus 24n minus 24n minus 29n plus 232 is equal to 0. By multiplying the same two numbers 24 into 29, that I can get it as this 696, and if I adding these two numbers, because minus into minus plus, that again I can get it as the what? Plus 53. So here 3n is the common, then it is n minus 8. Then here I can take the minus 29 as the common, then again I get it as the what? That is n minus of 8 is equal to 0. So n minus 8, 3n minus 29 is equal to 0. Therefore, n minus 8 is equal to 0 and 3n minus 29 is equal to 0. So here I can get n is equal to 8 and here I can get it as the 3n equal to 29, then n is equal to 29 by 3. So in the form of the fraction, n is not 29 by 3. So the value of n is how much? That is 8 I can take. Okay. So the next one example is, if you have any doubts, then you can ask. Okay. If you have any doubts, then you can ask. So the next one example is, if the ratios of m and n elements of an AP is m square is to n square, show that what the ratio of the ratio of mth and nth elements is 2m minus 1 is to 2m minus 1. If the ratios of m and n elements of an AP is m square is to n square, what we have to be sure that mth and nth element, that is tm and tnth element is 2m minus 1 is to 2m minus 1. Okay. So sum of the first m elements is, that is Sn is equal to m by 2, that is 2a plus m minus 1 into 2. So this is what the first one. Next, Sn elements, sum of the n elements, that is, this one is how much? This one they have given it as the m square. Okay, and Sn is equal to what? That is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is how much they have given? That is n square. Okay. So H2 means that is Sn divided by Sn. Sn divided by Sn is equal to m divided by 2, 2a plus m minus 1 into d is equal to m square divided by, okay, this is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to, this is divided by n square. Okay. So here, this two get cancelled. One of the m get cancelled. One of the n also get cancelled. What remains here? 2a plus m minus 1 into d is equal to m. Here, 2a plus n minus 1 into d divided by n. But I have to get it as the mth and the nth element. Note it. mth ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು tm is equal to a plus m minus 1 into d ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಹೌದಾ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ a ಬೇಕು a ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ I divide this whole term divided by 2 ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಇದನ್ನ whole LHS ಮತ್ತು LHS ನಾಗ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸಂಬಂಧ this the numerator term whole term is divided by 2 and the denominator also the whole term divided by 2 ಅವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ a plus m minus 1 into d divided by 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to what m divided by n. So now what I have to get the RHS term that is mth and nth element ನೋಡಿ mth and nth element ಆಗಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ m ಜಾಗನಾಗ 2m minus 1 ಬೇಕು n ಜಾಗನಾಗ ಏನು ಬೇಕು 2n minus 1 ಬೇಕು. Now what I will do changing m to 2m minus 1 and changing n to 2n minus 1 ನೋಡ್ರಿ RHS ಮತ್ತು LHS ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು LLM ಐತಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2m minus 1 ತುಂಬ್ತೇನೆ n ಇದ್ದಾನೆ 2n minus 1 ಅವಾಗ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತೈತಿ therefore look here a plus m ಜಾಗನಾಗ 2m minus 1 divided by 2 into d is equal to what 2m minus 1 next ಇಲ್ಲಿ a plus 2n minus 1 whole divided by 2 into d that is divided by 2n minus 1. So here it is one a plus 2m minus 2 whole divided by 2 into d divided by a plus 2n minus 2 whole divided by 2 into d is equal to 2m minus 1 2m minus 1. Okay. So if I take the numerator 2 as the common multiple, these two get cancelled. What remains? A plus m minus 1 into d. So better I will solve here only. Okay. So here, if I take the 2 as the common multiple, 2 will be common multiple. These two get cancelled. What remains? That is a plus m minus 1 into d divided by. Illenu 2 common multiple ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 2 get cancelled. What remains? A plus n minus 1 into d is equal to what? 2n minus 1 2n minus 1. Correct? So this is nothing but what your tm divided by tn is equal to what you get? 2m minus 1 divided by 2n minus 1. So that is your mth and the nth element is what you get? 2m minus 1 and divided by 2n minus 1. This is what your solution. Okay, so here this example is also very simple. Already they have given. Again I am going to be explain this one. If the ratios of the m and n elements, that is the sum of m elements and the n element they have given, m square is to n square. So first of them ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು divided by ಬರ್ತದೆ sm divided by sm is m by 2 2a plus m minus 1 into d. They have given it as the m square and Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus 1 2a plus n minus 1 into d that is equal to again n square. Okay, so 2 get cancelled, one of the m get cancelled, one of the n get cancelled. What remains? 2a plus m minus 1 into d divided by 2a plus m minus n minus 1 into d is equal to m divided by n. So I should have to get this one as the tm and tm ಸಿಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ a plus m minus 1 into ಬೇಕು. So a ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 multiple ಐತೆ. So I divide this LHS and RHS to the numerator and denominator by 2. Then I get a plus m minus 1 divided by 2 into d. A plus m minus 1 a plus n minus 1 whole divided by a plus n minus 1 divided by 2 into d is equal to m by n. ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗಬೇಕು ರೀ RHS ನಾಗ 2m minus 1 ಸಿಗಬೇಕು and 2n minus 1 ಸಿಗಬೇಕು. ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ changing the LHS and RHS wherever m is there changing to 2m minus 1 and wherever n is there 2n minus 1. Then I substitute in this equation, then I get the nth and the nth element as 2n minus 1 divided by 2n minus 1. So this is what you are the solution. Okay, so if you have any doubts then you can ask me through the call. Okay, then I can make you clear. Okay, so the next one example is if the sum of n elements of an AP if the sum of n elements of an AP is Pn plus Qn square, Pn plus Qn square, where P and Q are constants, where P and Q are constants, where P and Q are constants, find the common difference. Find the common difference. Find the common. So find the common difference means we have to find out for the value of D. Okay. If the sum of n elements of an AP, it means already they have given the Sn is equal to what? That is a Pn plus Qn square. Okay. Where P and Q are the constants, find the common difference and ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay. So what is the formula for Sn is equal to? That is n by 2. I can write it as a plus L. That is a plus L. Okay. So now what I have to be find out? What will be the a plus L ಬರಿಬಹುದು? ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನು ಬರಿಬಹುದು ನಾವು? That is n by 2. That is 2a plus n minus 1 into d. ಇಲ್ಲಿ D ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ D ಬರ್ತದೆ. Okay, that is 2a plus n minus 1 into d because we have to find out for the common difference. Okay. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದರ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? S1 is equal to what? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. S1 is what? That is 1 divided by 2, 2a plus 1 minus 1 into d. It means that is S1 is equal to 1 by 2, 2a, that is S1 is equal to what? A. So S1 is equal to what? A. So this is what you are the first element. ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಒಳಗೆ ಬೇಡ. S1 is what? That is A. So ಇದೊಳಗೆ ಬೇಡ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ Sn ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. Sn ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಾಯ್ತು. That is n by 2. Okay. Then the first element is what? That is S1 is equal to what? That is P plus Q. Instead of n you have to substitute as the one. That is 1. Okay. So this is what you are the first element. First element ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ? Where there is a we have to substitute it as the what? This is the first element. The second element is that is 2 ತುಂಬೋದು. Then what you get? Whatever you get that you have to substitute. Okay. Therefore Sn is equal to ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Sn is equal to what? n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. You have to find out for the d. Sn is what? That is Pn plus Q n square is equal to n by 2. Then 2, a is nothing but what? That is your the first element. That is the first term. That is a P plus Q plus n minus 1 into n minus 1 into d. Okay. So take this 2 to the LHS, that is 2Pn plus 2Qn square is equal to, this is P plus, this is n by, this is n into bracket, this is 2P plus 2Q. E n is common multiple. Whole 2P plus 2Q plus nd minus d. Nd minus d. Multiply this again, n inside the bracket, then 2Pn plus 2Qn square is equal to 2Pn plus 2Nq plus n square d minus nd. Okay. So here one of the 2Pn get cancelled. Okay. So here what I have to find out? I have to find out for the what? The value of d. ನನಗೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದರದ ಏನು ಮಾಡಲಿ, ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ n square d to the LHS, then n square d ನಾನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ? ಸೊ n square ನಾನು ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ತು? 2Q minus d is equal to, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ನಾನು ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ n ಕಾಮನ್ ಬಂದ್ರು ಉಳಿತೇನ್ರಿ ಬೇಡ ಹಿಂಗೆ ತಗೋದು ಬೇಡ. ಸೊ ಬೆಟರ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಇವೆರಡು ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಯಾವುದು? 2qn² 2nq. ಸೊ 9 ಮತ್ತೆ 2qn² minus 2nq is equal to, correctly ಇದನ್ನ LHS ತಗೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ as it is written n² minus n. Now I can get this solution. So here 2q I can take the common multiple. If I take the 2q as the common multiple, 2q n common multiple, 2qn, then what remains here? N minus 1 is equal to, here if I take the nd as the common multiple, so what remains here? N minus 1. So here one of the n minus 1 get cancelled. 2qn is equal to nd. So here n get cancelled, therefore d is equal to what? 2q. So this is what your the common difference is. Okay. So this is what one of the very simple example what they are given. The sum of the n elements of an AP is that they are given. So that is SNP n plus qn² is equal to n by 2a plus n minus 1d ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು. That is nothing but pn plus qn², where p and q are the constant. We have to find out for the common difference. Okay. So ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನನಗೆ a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬೇಕು. The first term is n ಜಾಗನಾಗ 1 ತುಂಬ್ರಿ, that is your p plus q ನಮಗೆ ಬಂತು. So instead of a I have been substituted as the p plus q. We have to find out for the common difference. Okay. So now solve ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬನ್ನಿ. e2 LHS ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Then I multiply this n inside the bracket, then I get these terms. So here 2pn get cancelled. Then I can make it the combination. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ 2qn². I have taken this minus, if I take the plus 2nq to the LHS, then it is minus 2nq. Then n²d minus nd I have been kept as it is in the RHS. Then in the LHS 2nq I have taken it as the common multiple. 2nq ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ n minus 1 ಉಳಿತು. ಇಲ್ಲೇನು nd ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ n minus 1 ಉಳಿತು. So n minus 1 get cancelled. 2qn is equal to nd, then n get cancelled. Then d is what your 2q. So this is what your the common difference in this example. Okay. So this much examples are enough for today's class, and the remaining will be continued in the next class. So by pausing the video, make it note down your notes, and by don't miss to give your attendance also. So attendance is very important. So thank you very much.